In today's video, I'm going to teach you GetFormly best practices for better forms. We'll start inside Formly by logging into the dashboard, then opening an existing form or creating a new one to follow along. This walkthrough is especially helpful for beginners because the goal is to make your forms cleaner, easier to complete, and more effective at collecting useful responses. One of the first things to improve is the form title. Edit the title so it clearly describes the purpose of the form. A simple, direct name helps respondents understand right away what they're filling out, which can improve trust and completion rates. Next, focus on your questions. Add a few sample questions and keep them short and simple. A direct question is always better than one that feels overly long or confusing. Try to ask one thing at a time, and use wording that's easy for anyone to understand. After that, choose the right question type for each response. Use short text for quick answers, long text when someone needs more space. Email fields for contact information, multiple choice for clear options, drop-downs when you want to save space, and ratings or other available types when they fit the goal. The right format makes the form easier to complete and gives you better quality answers. For important questions, open the field settings and turn on the required option. This helps prevent missing information, but be careful not to make every question required unless it truly matters. You can also use conditional logic to create a smarter experience. For example, ask whether someone needs help with a product. If they choose yes, show a follow-up question asking which product. This keeps the form shorter and more relevant. If AI form creation is available, open that feature and enter a simple description of the form you want. Let Formly generate a starting draft, then review and edit the questions carefully before publishing. Save time, but it still needs a human review. Around this point, if you want to try these Formly features yourself, you can use the affiliate link in the description. Now customize the design by opening the styling options. Adjust the appearance, add branding if appropriate, and choose colors that match your project. Keep the design clean because too many visual elements can distract from the form itself. Add a short welcome message at the beginning so respondents know what to expect, and mention the estimated time if the form takes a few minutes. Then create a clear thank you message at the end so people know their submission was successful. Before publishing, preview the form, check every question, review spelling and formatting, test required fields and conditional logic, and make sure everything looks right. Then submit a test response with sample information and confirm in the dashboard that it was recorded correctly. Finally, review the whole form and remove anything unnecessary to keep it short. Use clear names in your dashboard so forms stay organized, connect responses to tools like spreadsheets if needed, and regularly review the results or export them for analysis. Avoid common beginner mistakes like too many questions, confusing wording, skipping previews, or over-designing the form. Before you publish, do one last quick check on the title, questions, logic, design, thank you message, preview, test submission, and response tracking. These tips can help you get more out of Formly, and if you want to try it yourself, check the affiliate link in the description.